In today's video, I'm going to teach you save and open Figma files, how to export in Figma, local save in Figma. We'll start right inside your browser. Head to figma.com and open the design project you want to work with. Once your file is on screen, we'll first cover saving a local copy. This is perfect when you want a downloadable backup, need to share a .fig file, or just want a snapshot you can archive. Look to the left side of the interface and open the Figma main menu. It's the menu that gives you access to file actions and settings. From there, choose Save Local Copy. Figma will export your current project as a .fig file and download it to your computer. This is different from Figma's automatic cloud save. The cloud version updates continuously, while a local copy is a manual export at a specific moment in time. For organization, consider renaming the downloaded file with a clear version label, like adding today's date so you can tell backups apart later. If your browser sends downloads to a default folder, you can move the file into your project, archive, or versioning folder after it finishes. Now let's look at bringing files into Figma. We'll create a fresh file first, so the import has a clean place to land. Open the Figma main menu again, then go to File and click New to open a new empty design file. With that blank canvas ready, choose Import from Sketch. This option is designed for .sketch files and it will convert them into a Figma file structure. Your system's file explorer will appear. Navigate to the sketch project you want to bring in, select it, and confirm. Figma will begin importing. Depending on the size and complexity of the file, this may take a moment. You'll see the content populate as Figma processes artboards, layers, and components. When the import completes, your design is ready to review and continue working on inside Figma. If you notice any differences, that's normal when moving between design tools. Take a quick pass to confirm key layouts, components, and text styles look right. If fonts appear substituted, make a note to install or update the original fonts on your system so everything renders as intended the next time you open the file. That's it. You've saved a local copy of your Figma project for safekeeping and imported a sketch file into a brand new Figma file. Use local copies as versioned backups and repeat the import process anytime you need to bring external designs into Figma. Great job, and congrats on getting your files in order.